Hi, I'm going to talk about variables, and I want to show you how you can use variables to make your code easier to understand and more efficient. Now, first of all, I want to show you how to draw a few lines. Probably you will know actually after using Scratch for a little while. So what we do is just that. Okay, when we start, we get the sprites to move to a certain point. Say go to minus 190 and minus 150, and then what we need to do is to do a pen down and then move. So depends on how long the line is, say 30, and then we do a pen up again. And then if we want to draw another line, you have to move a bit to where you want the line to be, say move 10 steps, and then you pen down and then move. Then this is another line, and then pen up, and then you move again, and then pen down, and then move, and then pen up, and then go back to the original position, say. Okay. Now, as you can see that this is fine. It does draw the line. I can show you. Okay. Now it's drawn 3 lines there. But then if you want to change, say, I think the line is a bit, I want them to go towards that direction, say upper, to go, say, I think the Y is a bit too low, so minus 120. And then if you think that the lines are a bit too short and you want to change it to 40, then you have to change 3 times. And if you have 4 lines, you have to change 4 times, which is a bit tedious. Okay. So what we'll do is that, say, and then if you do it again, and then you will do it like that, because we forgot to clear the things. Okay. There you go. Which is fine. But then you can see that, first of all, you can use a repeat loop to make things easier. But then another additional thing you can do to make it even easier is to create some variables. Because in that case, you do not have to change inside the loops, but then you just have to change the variables. I'll show you what that means. Okay. I have created some variables here, and I have a variable to store the starting X position, starting Y position, a variable to store the length of the line, the gap between the lines, and the number of lines. So what I need to do at the start is to define all these. Say set number of lines to 7, and then set the length of the line to 30, and then set the gap to 5, and then set the starting X to minus 190, and set the starting Y to minus 140, say. Okay. Now, you may wonder how to make a variable, that is quite easy. You just click make a variable and then you put in the name, and a variable can be used by all sprites or for this sprite only, and I'll explain the difference in future videos, but for the moment you just use it for all sprite first. Okay, and then so once you've set all these, what you need to do is to get the sprite to go to starting x and y. Here. And then we repeat the number of lines time. Lines here. And what we do is just to say pen down and then move line length, and then pen up again and do a move again, and then move the gap, and then you will just go on, and then when you finish, go back to the starting point. Okay, let's see. Okay, so you see now that it's got 7 lines here. Say you think that the lines are a bit too low, so you change the y to say -100, and see now. And then if you want a longer line, you just say set to 40 or something, and then you can see that it's very easy to change your code now. And also, it is quite easy for other people to understand what you are doing here. So I hope you enjoy the video. Bye.